Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. So today we will make a very easy and tasty recipe dhaba style dum aloo. In fact, if you follow this recipe, this dum aloo will be even tastier than dhaba. So I have already boiled 500 grams of potatoes here. We will add 3 tablespoons of oil in the pan and fry them well. When these potatoes become slightly golden, take them out in a separate plate. Clean the pan thoroughly and take 2 to 3 spoons of oil in it. Now we will add 3 red chilies, 3 spoons of whole coriander, 150 grams cashew nuts, 7 to 8 black peppers, 2 to 3 cloves, a piece of cinnamon and 3 chopped onions. We will fry all this for 15 to 20 seconds. Then we will add 2 big tomatoes into it and cover it and cook until the tomatoes become soft. So you can see that here our tomatoes have also become soft. We will let it cool and then we will take all this in a mixer jar and make a fine paste of them. Now we will add oil as per our requirement in the same pan, and in this we will first add 2 whole red chilies, 1 spoon of cumin, 1 spoon of asafoetida and 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. After frying them a little, we will now add a dry spices like 1 spoon of turmeric powder, 2 medium spoon of red chili powder, 1 spoon of coriander powder and some water, and fry them all well. In this we will add salt as per our taste. And we will keep cooking it well by adding water little by little until the masala leaves the oil. When our masala is cooked well, now we will add the ground paste to it and let it cook well for 5 to 10 seconds. So you can see that all our spices and paste have combined and our nice gravy is ready. Now we will add 1 cup of yogurt and some coriander to it and mix this gravy well. And then add fried potatoes to it. Add some water and let it cook for 5 minutes. How quickly our delicious looking dum aloo curry is ready. In fact, it is so delicious that everyone will like it. Serve it with normal paratha or puri. To see more such recipes, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.